They say there are many ways to skin a cat. I'm not sure if that's true or not because I've never skinned a cat. At all. Never mind enough times to see if I could skin it in different ways. Just like skinning that proverbial cat, there are many ways of working out what you should charge. But getting your pricing right can be an important part of your marketing. The easiest way to work out your pricing is this. You could call up a couple of your competitors and pretend to be their customer. You could then get a few quotes and find out what the average is. And this will be your basic, what will the market pay price point. You then need to decide if you think you're delivering a higher or lower end product comparatively. Simply then add or subtract maybe 5% of your price. Be wary, though, of false comparisons. For example, someone who does what you do, but only as a hobby or maybe as a second income. Those people will normally be charging a lot less than a professional full-timer. Well, that's it for this week's simple marketing tip. Could you do me a favor, though, and click on that subscribe button and maybe the little bell thingy next to it? That way you'll never miss another PuppetWork video. We'll see you next time.